In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create breathtaking modern artwork using Artistly AI. First, open Artistly AI and head to the AI image generation section. This is where you can turn creative ideas into high-quality modern artwork in just seconds. Next, enter a detailed prompt describing the style you want. For example, modern abstract artwork with neon colors, futuristic shapes, dramatic lighting, and minimalist composition. Detailed prompts help Artistly AI generate more visually impressive results. After that, choose a modern or digital art style preset to match the look you want. You can experiment with abstract, cyberpunk, contemporary, minimalist, or cinematic styles depending on your creative vision. Now adjust the image settings like quality, lighting, color intensity, and aspect ratio to make the artwork look even more polished and professional. Once everything is ready, click Generate and let Artistly AI create your artwork. If needed, refine your prompt and regenerate new variations until you achieve the perfect result. Finally, download your artwork in high quality and use it for social media, prints, branding, websites, or creative projects. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.